Hey guys, check out the Lopeie Beard Trimmer for men, designed with a waterproof IPX7 rating for easy cleaning. Its ergonomic curved handle ensures a comfortable grip that won't slip during use. This trimmer features a powerful built-in battery providing over 90 minutes of cordless runtime on a quick 1.5-hour charge. Equipped with high-carbon precision ground blades, it stays sharp longer for smooth and accurate trimming. You get multiple beard guard lengths to customize stubble, short, or thick beard styles effortlessly. The all-in-one design includes detailer and rotary heads perfect for nose, ear, brow, and body hair grooming. Plus, it makes a thoughtful gift backed by a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.